No, no, no.
This is a nice box.
What's going on, everyone? We're here today with a very special box. It's a You Make It, We Skate It. And as you can see, it says fragile. There are stickers on it that say fragile. So I am not gonna risk someone throwing the box at me and then me dropping it and ruining the video. No over the beam today. No over the beam today. If Ricky were here, I don't think I'd be able to stop him. But today, we're just gonna go ahead and open it. But I will use the drill to open it if you wanna hand that over.
Yes, sir. Oh. Now that's how you do that. That's experience.
Excellent at that. So it's fragile. There's a ton of bubble wrap and stuff in there. If you're ever stressed out, just go buy some bubble wrap and pop it all day. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh no. What is going on here?
Is that stainless steel?
Wait, what is this?
Oh, you scared
This looks like my bathroom tile.
Wow, that's a...
Wait, what? Oh. Here, wait, hold this. Is there a note in here? There's gotta be a note.
He just sent it just like this.
No way.
He wanted to.
He's a savage.
He didn't want to say nothing.
Dude, no explanation, no nothing? All right, I'm gonna have to pull out the email.
This is like a TV tray. A fancy one made out of a skateboard.
I think drop-in is possible.
Yeah.
Rock the fakie.
Did he put the right size?
Okay, here we go. All right, I found the email. So this is from Dannon, and he said, hey guys, my son and I would love to make you a custom deck for you to skate and maybe have it in a video. Well, here we are in the video, let's go. We don't have trucks and wheels for it, but we were wondering if we can send it, you can put them on. I work for a tile company and my son loves skateboarding and we were hoping to bring those things together and build a tile skateboard. Please respond. So this is legitimate tile.
Is this supposed to be the grip?
This is the bottom.
Oh, that's the bottom.
Well, this is like, I'm pretty sure traditionally when you're building a house, and you know, Aaron builds houses, I would ask him if he were here, but I'm pretty sure you put like the grout, or not the grout, but like the whatever, the epoxy or whatever you put it to actually get it to stick to the ground, and then this is the bottom, and then you stick it on like this, and this would be the actual tile.
Okay. This product is from somewhere I want to go.
Where? Where do you want to go?
Italy.
Italy? No way.
It says
Are you
that.
serious?
Wow.
Made in Italy.
I want to go to Italy too.
Dang, well then this is just some like luxurious level tile product that we're skating here. My only concern is that, dude, one pop and this thing is gonna explode.
No way.
Yeah, I bet. How much you wanna bet?
I'm not betting. I'm not betting.
You don't wanna bet?
I don't want to bet.
Leave it in the comments below. Leave it in the comments below. I think what we should do is set this up. We'll do roll down the banks. We'll ride it around. We'll do drop in. And if that doesn't break it, I think you should just send a board slide, Glow.
That's a deal.
Deal?
That's a deal.
Deal.
If it even pops.
Will it pop? I mean, to be fair, the glass board is exactly like this. And we could kick flip it, varial flip. I think tray flip's the only thing we didn't do, right?
No, I think Uzi did do tray.
Did he?
I'm pretty sure.
You learn something new every day. Hey, the Mandela effect.
Can you pass me a drill?
I don't know, brother. Here.
Where's the T-tool? You got the T-tool? I got the T-tool. Are you sure?
Hey, you want two? Here's two.
Caught them both. Didn't touch the ground, brother. Think I should tighten them tight?
Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh, here. I did bring those though. I think we should use those. My bad. Should have told you. Hey, it's my fault. Leave it in the comments below. # blame Gabe.
These were like the first trucks I've ever bought.
Whoa, you're doing 2 bolts?
Yeah, because it's not lined up.
If you do 2 bolts, you gotta go diagonally.
Yeah, but the problem is it's not lined up, brother.
The holes? No way. You're lying.
I think there's other trucks we can do.
Oh, hold up. I got you.
No way.
I got you.
No way.
Give me a minute.
These are mini trucks or something. What are you doing, bro?
I'm finding you trucks that'll work.
No way.
If you're in LA, or if you went to LA's Anime Expo, Godspeed.
Just humor me. Let's see if these will work. Oh!
That's pretty late.
Don't forget the riser pad.
Oh
That's
my
twice. That's
God.
strike 2. That's strike 2.
If it fits, no riser.
Dang it, dude. This is not good.
It's okay.
Can we drill a hole in the riser pad?
You could do that. What he's just doing.
What you're witnessing right now is the beauty of You Make It, We Skate It, because we have to figure out how exactly it's gonna work.
I'll give you the dimensions. I want to say it's a little above the other screw.
Oh, you know what? I have an idea. Glow, here. Hold this.
Wow, aren't you a genius?
Yeah, I've been doing this a while. There we go.
Man, it's a legend. That quick, we got riser pads on the stainless steel skateboard.
Come on now.
You know what that reminds me of?
How's it not big enough?
Gotta.
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
If you want to grant your own wish, then you should clear your own path to do it.
Clear my own path to do it. That riser pad was the obstacle, and I granted my own wish by drilling through the riser pad to get to the ultimate goal.
Wow.
Thank you, Mo. You just inspired me.
You're welcome.
I think you just might have changed my life. It used to be I will build your house, but now I see that what it really is building your entire family's house.
There you go.
If you think I should become a professional house builder, leave it in the comments below.
No one knows what the future holds.
Oh, shoot.
That's why its potential is infinite.
Dang it. Infinite potential, I drilled into the 3 block. Damn it. Oh, you're taking too long, brother.
I know, bro. You ever skate bench? Oh, you skate bench. Skate benches. Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, this board looks really cool.
It does. Dude, it literally looks like my bathroom tile. Like, let me show you.
Shout out Italy.
Dude, straight up, it's literally bathroom tile.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That's good money too, huh?
All right, Mo, here we go. Dude, this is really sick.
I just forgot. Rome is in Italy.
Yeah, the Colosseum.
Rome.
I want you to take a really good look at this. I want you to take it all in, absorb it, look at it, admire it, get inspired by it, because this thing is breaking on the first pop.
Right here, ASMR. Oh wait, here.
This is tile ASMR.
I could feel the electricity moving through my hand.
If we should start a Braille skateboarding ASMR channel, leave it in the comments below.
Honestly, would probably crush it.
Dude, this is breaking. 1000%. This is donezo. Dude, should I board flip it? Should I board flip it?
That's the ultimate.
Should I board flip it? Just no thumbnail yet? Just straight board flip?
You could do what you
No, I can't. I can't. You gotta board slide it.
I'll try.
You think it's gonna break?
I got more faith in the tile, honestly, that it's not gonna break, but you think it's gonna break.
I think it's done, dude.
After remembering that Rome is in Italy, I think the Italians know what they're doing. We're about to take a thumbnail, everyone. So let's make this sick transition.
All right, Glow. Hi, brother. Hey, please be careful.
It's kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie.
I know.
All right, why not give it the good old roll down test with the small bank first?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, maybe I do feel like it matches the ground. Look.
Oh, wow. Dude, holy crap. The camouflage board.
I got a TikTok idea.
Ooh, I like how you're thinking.
I
It has to survive to do that.
Rick's not here, so I got to get my TikTok in.
I'll post it on Reels. Oh, dude, careful! Oh, no!
Sounds crazy.
Does it feel like it's cracking or anything?
I'm terrified right there. That dip.
Yeah. Oh my God!
It's breaking. You're right.
I know. No. Oh no!
Bro, I didn't think I was that.
It's the.
I landed bolts perfect.
didn't do nothing. It was just.
No!
You want to run it back? We got one more corner.
Dude, just run the drop in. No questions, just run the drop in.
I just heard Gabe say no, and it was too late. It was too late. I was already going.
I told you, Glow! I told you!
You said on the first
I
pop.
know!
He
I've
said
been
on the
doing
first
this a
pop,
long
didn't he?
time, I know! Mo, hit the drop in, Mo. It'll survive. You can still do it. Hit it. Give the people something. Give the people something.
That was amazing. I love that. that was shock value right there.
Give the people what they want. And Glow, get the slow-mo for me. 0.5, right up and close. You got this. It's already look, the weakest link is now broken. So anything else is structurally sound. Any last words? I mean, any words?
I think we got it.
You got it. Oh! Woo! There we go. There we go. I told you.
I thought I was gonna have some history repeating itself.
I told you.
Do you want to run that back? I mean, we survived.
Glow, here's what I think.
I want to hit the drop in.
Oh, you're gonna hit drop? All right, all right. Hey, if the drop-in survives, can I see you try the kickflip?
I'll try it.
Just one try at a kickflip?
Yeah.
All right.
Is this considered a mall grab?
That's the most atrocious mall grab. That's the most mall grab I've ever seen. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gentle, gentle. It could still crack here. You got it. You got it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hey, you broke it, but you redeemed yourself. All right, hold on. Whoa! All right, you gonna do the kickflip?
Should I try
You wanna try it?
Kickflip or board slide?
Oh, dude, that's a tough one.
I know it
It's
is.
a tough one. I don't think you're gonna be able to pop onto the board slide. That's my only thinking here.
Yeah, me neither. Should I just go with a K-bomb?
If you set up like a ramp and like rolled into board slide, it might work. You know what I mean? Like put like a little kicker here.
Where's our kickers at?
Like that, this will work. I'm pretty sure.
Or roll on 50-50?
You try that, Mo.
Roll on 50-50?
It's breaking as soon as you roll away. I think we go for the board slide.
Roll on 50-50.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you got this.
Paper, rock, scissors.
You
so
try
it's
board
fair.
slide, Mo.
So it's fair.
You choose.
50-50.
We did rock, paper, scissors to get smoked right now. If you notice that, we gave it a 50-50 shot. Who wants to get smoked? Sometimes that's what you got to do with your dogs. It's okay. I was so terrified throwing that rock right there.
It could have gone either way.
It could have.
Hey Mo, is there anything in your will? If anything happens to you, do you want me to tell your son? Mowgli said tell his son he'll be home tonight. All right, sounds good. Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna be home tonight.
You were so light-footed off. You were like,
That's why I was like,
You floated.
well, we made it. We got a roll in.
Yeah,
We
looks
got
like the
drop.
board slide. Hey, he landed his. He's got to do the board slide.
Redemption. Nollie shove.
No, Nollie Shove was already landed, and you broke it.
oh.
It's like when you land a trick and you break your board, but you still roll away.
Yeah, you're right. Should we try
You
the
could,
kicky?
you could do the kicky, yeah.
I really want the kicky. You think I should? No, I can't.
I think what you got to do is flick down.
Let's find out.
Whoa, dude!
I feel like I'm gonna crack it like that.
Yeah, you are. All right, any predictions?
I'm gonna land this, please. I'm gonna at least hopefully land on top of it.
Dude, if you get like a really good pop and flick, I really honestly, if it doesn't break on the pop, I think you could land it.
I just don't want to land bolts and then do the splits.
Oh, no, you're good, you're good. Okay, okay. Hey, them Italian tiles are built different, Mo.
I was so scared. I landed.
That counts.
I landed.
That counts.
I landed.
No toe drag, no heel drag.
no.
That counts, baby. Let's go. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, that felt so cool to do.
That was sick.
Hey, I landed on it. We exploded that. I'm glad I got the pop and I got the flick and I got to land on top of it. That was my main goal. I didn't want to flick it and then it just break and then I can't even get close. At least I got close enough. That was sick.
No toe drag, no heel drag. Grab your souvenir. That counts.
Yeah, this is one for the books. I think I might just be taking this to Bakersfield and putting it next to a flower and putting "We survived." We survived. Let's go.
That was seriously such a fun episode of You Make It, We Skate It, the world's most fragile board. It could still be kick-flipped. It counts. If you think it counts, leave it in those comments below. We want to hear what you have to say. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And we hope this video inspired you to go out and have fun on your skateboard.